In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to SSH into DigitalOcean with a key and set up the SSH authorization keys for your DigitalOcean droplet. This process is straightforward, and by the end of this guide, you'll be able to access your droplet securely without a password. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need an SSH key generated on your local machine, which could be your laptop or desktop. If you haven't done this yet, take a moment to create one. Remember, generating an SSH key is an essential step because it establishes a secure connection with your server. Once your key is ready, make sure to copy it. Now, head over to your DigitalOcean account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Settings section. Then go to Security and find the SSH Keys option. Here, you'll see a button labeled Add SSH Key. Click on that to proceed. Go ahead and paste the SSH key you copied from your local machine into the provided field. This action links your local SSH key with your DigitalOcean account, which is a key element in ensuring a seamless authentication process. Don't forget to save your changes once your key is pasted. Next, it's time to create a droplet. In the setup options for your new droplet, you'll notice an option to select an SSH key. Make sure to select the key you just added to your DigitalOcean account. This step is crucial as it ties your droplet's access with your generated SSH key, reinforcing the security of your connection. With your droplet now created, it's time to connect to it. Using your terminal or an SSH client, you'll connect by typing SSH root your droplet IP. Replace your droplet IP with the actual IP address of your newly created droplet. Hitting enter will initiate the connection process. Because you've set up SSH key authentication, you will log in without needing to type a password. This authentication mode means your SSH key is doing the hard work of verifying your identity, making your connection not only faster, but infinitely more secure than typing in a password. Isn't it convenient? And there you have it. You've successfully SSH'd into your DigitalOcean droplet using an SSH key. This method not only simplifies the login process, but also enhances security by relying on SSH key-based authentication. Whether you're administering multiple servers or just curious about secure connections, understanding how to SSH with a key is an invaluable skill. Thank you for following along. Make sure to subscribe for more tech tutorials and feel free to leave any questions in the comments below. Happy coding!